Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to write emails that actually get opens and clicks in 2025. So if your newsletter or campaign are going unread, don't worry, I will share the simple writing techniques that boost the open rates and engagement and the conversions. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So first of all, you need to start with an irresistible subject line. Your subject line is the first thing that people see. So you need to make it short, clear, and curiosity driven. Always use only 4 to 8 words max and talk directly to your reader. For example, you can use something like this is the tool that doubled my sales, or your next big idea starts here. Avoid any kind of spammy words like free, urgent, or limited time because they can hurt the deliverability of your email. Now in the body part, you will have to personalize the opening line. So always start your email like you are talking to one person and not the whole list. So instead of saying dear subscriber, you can start the opening line something like, hey, the name of your subscriber or your customer, I saw you checked out our new course, and then you can start with the body of your email. So adding the personal context makes the people read further, and most email tools like ConvertKit and MailChimp can give you this particular option very easily. Now in 2025, the attention spans are even shorter, so you need to stick to one goal per email, like one message, one action. You can add any paragraph or the bold key lines and maybe one image or button. Now if your email looks cluttered, people will skip it instantly. Now always whenever you are sending the email, make sure that you add a call to action at the end of the email. So your call to action can something like get your free demo, or read the full story, or save your spot today. So you can use the buttons in the bright colors like orange or blue, and then you can repeat the CTA once more near to and the higher click through rates. Now the secret to the higher clicks is sounding real. You need to write the way you speak, like friendly, helpful, and personal. You can also use ChatGPT in this regard. You can come here on ChatGPT, you can write your script over here. After that, you can ask it to rewrite this script to sound more conversational and engaging. And this particular step is going to help remove any kind of flubs and keep your writing natural. After sending the email, always check your email analytics for the open rates, for the click rates, and unsubscribes. So you can test different subject lines, different formats, and CTA wordings. Like small tweaks can make a huge difference. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.